3-topic communication end of the year project. Brianna Engelman 5/8/19. Miss Jennings 5 period. List of topics: self-advocacy, dining etiquette, compromise and negotiating. Dining etiquette. What we learned. We learned about dining etiquette. We learned proper placement where the spoon, knife, and fork go. We learned to not slurp when you eat pasta or spaghetti. Dining etiquette in my life. There are many places where I will use dining etiquette. One place I will use it is in a restaurant. If I make disgusting noises or if I slurp my pasta loud, I would be disturbing and annoying the people around me. The proper thing I should do if my food comes and the person I am dining with does not have their food yet, is I should wait for their food to come before I start eating. Self-advocacy. What we learned. In class we learned about self-advocacy, how to stand up for yourself. In class we did skits. We were paired into groups. We had to perform a skit about self-advocacy. My group skit was about self-advocacy. We pretended I was struggling to carry my grocery and I asked someone by me if they could help me. Self-advocacy in my life. There are many places I will use self-advocacy in my life, like I would use self-advocacy at a store. If I am trying to find a bikini and I can't read the sizes, I would ask an employee, or I would go to customer service. I would also advocate for myself at a restaurant and I can't read the menu. I would ask the waiter to read it for me. Negotiate and compromise. What we learned. In class we learned how to compromise. We were put into groups of 2 and we to perform a skit about negotiate and compromise. I was in a group with Karina. We came up with a skit. We were starting a babysitting service. We were making a flyer. We had to make a compromise on what we were going to draw. We did another skit on negotiating. My group did a skit where we were debating what food to have, pizza or pasta. Negotiate and compromise in my life. There are many places in my life I would make a compromise, like I would make a compromise at my job. If I do become a personal trainer, I would make a compromise with my client, like negotiating what exercise we are doing first, push-ups or ball sit-ups. Making a compromise on which teacher do you like better.